What's up, everybody? My name is Tristan Warner, owner and founder of Steelhouse Fabrication here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We specialize in converting enclosed cargo trailers into off-road camping vehicles and overland trailers. We all have had our fair share of sleepless nights in tents because of the rain, the snow, the cold. So let me take you inside our shop here and show you how we can get you out of the elements. This right here is the first process into making one of our trailers. All of our raw material comes through this door, gets fed through our cutting table where our fabricators cut all of our parts for up to 10 modules at a time. Once they're cut, they get put on this rack. Everything gets labeled so that way our welders can come in, grab the material, jig it up, weld it in, and then this is what a final product looks like before getting powder coated. Everything gets ground down, and as soon as it's finished, it gets sent out this door for powder coat. Right here are 3 different sizes of modules we offer. This one right here is a 3-foot tall, which can go in a Sprinter van, a 5x10 trailer, any trailer that you want. This can even fit in a 6x12. Next up is our 6-foot tall, which is for any trailer that has a 6-foot interior height. Then our last module size is a 6-foot 6-inch tall for all trailers 6 foot 6 inches and up interior height. We offer 4 options for all 3 sizes of modules, which include the Tradesman, the Grid, the Culinary, and the Culinary Pro. The Tradesman offers you 2 countertops for anybody that's been looking for a worktop bench in their van or trailer. Our Grid offers the same worktop benches, except it adds in a solar system to charge all your tool batteries, laptop batteries, or whatever you need. Our Culinary offers the same solar system as well as 2 water tanks, a sink, and a water pump. And our Culinary Pro has everything we just listed plus a stovetop for everybody that's been looking for a camper or overland or off-road camping trailer. So as for any module that has a solar system like the Grid, the Culinary, and the Culinary Pro, we have 2 power options. The first power option is a 56 amp hour battery from Lion Energy paired with a 45 watt solar panel from Zamp Solar. Both manufacturers are industry leaders for what they do. And the next one is a 105 amp hour battery and the 90 watt solar panel. So you can double your power for either package. So this right here is how our modules mount to your trailer. This is called E-Track, and this right here is an E-Track spare tire carrier. Once you install E-Track 32 inches from the floor, you can put our modules anywhere you'd like. This right here clips into a piece of E-Track. Your module will actually slide over this bolt and you nut it down front and back, and your module is totally secured. It allows the customer to put the modules exactly where they want, however they'd like. We can accommodate up to 720 of these modules and bedroom modules alike per year. If you want to request more information, please visit us at steelhousefab.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.